Well, her class, bro.
What the fuck you mean you left and you drove? I was going to the store and I got the store and I left.
What store you stopped at? QT. Oh, y'all been breaking your shit.
They gonna break it up.
Y'all been out of y'all been
Oh, let me get my car. What I do around?
You must ain't heard. See, y'all, okay, I see y'all don't look at Instagram. Y'all may hit the rules of Atlanta. Okay, yeah. They say in Atlanta, I ain't rules are. You ain't somebody that would
There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go.
rob your ass.
There you go, there you go.
Them folks break the windows here. Atlanta is
There you
fucking
go.
savages. They don't go lock. That's the whole fucking one. I tell you what, I know y'all got Instagram.
Nice.
Go follow ATL School.
Better.
Yep.
Shit.
That motherfucker free.
Nice.
No, I'm gonna get me there. Y'all walk.
Y'all.
I'm not gonna keep laughing up on here.
Yes.
Catch the hell say $15 to get to the motherfucker. Now I gotta pay
Okay.
$15.
Y'all see? There it is. Woohoo. Whoa. Okay, there it is.
Hold on, you from
Mustang.
Okay, but yeah, you should stay your ass on the street.
What?
I can walk across the street, can I?
Look at
Yeah,
that motherfucker.
do what you want to do.
Look at that bitch.
Oh, whoa. Stop. Gotta get you. Woo. You know I gotta get you. I gotta put you on my YouTube channel, baby.
Okay, I thought we was on.
No, I do part-time YouTube. Thank you, babe. There you go.
I just saw that shit on
Every time,
ATL
listen.
too.
Every time,
I just saw that shit.
every time I try to YouTube, they call me like, "What I do?" I said, "No, I do part-time YouTube."
They be like, oh.
Yeah. No, I ain't gonna do that to you guys.
So I'm all duty.
That helped my channel grow.
Right. Yeah, they just got the fighting over there.
Who got the fighting over there?
Hey,
Oh, the compound?
Yeah, the little compound.
Oh, so you a police.
Oh yeah, I'm an officer.
We
Really.
need serve and protect. We need a ride.
I can't do that. I can't leave. We gotta watch this
But she
here.
said you're an officer, but you're not. I'm an officer, but I'm just not.
He's an officer. He's still an
I
officer. He's a security officer. He's still an officer though.
didn't say you was.
Yeah, I'm just saying that part.
Did I say you was?
Hey,
You the one told me.
you got the gun.
You told me you was. You told me.
Certified.
I'm just.
Pop your ass and keep it moving.
I just been following the code. Somebody got the fuck in my car. I think.
Nah, I can't do it like that.
Wait a minute.
Is it getting ready to close now?
Song, that motherfucker sticking to her body.
Is this getting ready to slow down?
I got it.
Well, what time did it slow down yesterday?
About 3, 4.
I got time to.
I got time.
Plenty of time. I'm working while I'm working.
I'm cold while I'm cold.
You get monetized if you get to like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000. You gonna subscribe? All right, hold on. I'm gonna give you a card. I got cards too.
Woo, it's cold.
These gloves on, can't hardly get things done.
You say YouTube, right?
Yep. I got 2 channels. One's vlogging with Shy, and the other one is doing this with cars and trucks and stuff.
Which one you want me to log into now?
Do Shy's truck and car and motorcycle review.
Oh, that's the one you got most streams
And I put my pit bulls on there, and mukbang with them and everything. Yeah, I do all that. I gotta get this charger. Come on, baby. I'm just putting you on my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Give me a little roar. Can I? That's good, baby. Thank you. Shit, I'm trying to get rich like everybody else on the YouTube. Make that money.
Y'all lift is gonna take about 30 minutes to get here because they gotta get through the traffic.
Yep. Probably everybody's got them running all over the place. Huh? Are you on there already? I'll be everywhere. I'll be doing it all.
I'm starting my YouTube channel.
I'll be as much as I can. I'll be doing what I can.
So y'all came down here to party for All-Star Weekend?